Round number 9. We start as usually with the raising loop, and here we're going to narrow our rhomb. So there's going to be 2 double crochet with 1 top, 3 pieces of double crochet, and 1 more 2 double crochet with 1 top, a cluster, 2 loops, and this is very important, we make back post treble crochet, which means we go behind the element. We're going to go behind 2 elements. The first cluster, this one we're going to skip, so we go behind the first cluster first, and the second will be behind the next cluster. Between them there will be 2 loops, and again we will make 2 loops, and we will continue to narrow the rhomb with the same element. Let me show you how it's gonna look like. I've already done the raising loop, and I'm gonna narrow the rhomb here, so I do not finish the front post double crochet, and the second one I do into the next one with 1 top like that. Into other 3 pieces I do each time front post double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. The last 2 pieces we left also should be narrowed. 1 unfinished double crochet and the second one. 1 top. 2 loops here. 1, 2. Yarn over 2 times here and find the first cluster from the previous round and go behind it this way. Finished. 2 loops here and 1 more treble crochet back post behind the next cluster. 2 loops, and again we will narrow other 2 pieces because we are in the rhomb element this way. Again 3 pieces of double crochet, front post double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 cluster of 2 pieces of front post double crochet with 1 top like this. Yes, and in the end I'm gonna show you how I'm going to make the finish of this round. Here we are in the end, 2 loops already made, and I have to find the top of the first cluster. It's in here, and a simple slip stitch this way. See you soon.